Hi, my name's Tom Hill. I'm an artist. I'm based in San Francisco. I'm showing this year in the Birds in Art show at the Lee Yorkie Woodson Art Museum in Wausau, Wisconsin. And as part of that, I'm going to be coming back to the museum for my third residency to do a community project based on murmurations of European starlings, which is something you can see in the evening sky. There are those giant collections of starlings as they go to roost, and they make these incredible aerial acrobatics. So there's something that beautiful to look at. The whole is more than the sum of the parts. You can hardly even believe that they're birds, like amazing sort of natural phenomenon of clouds or something. There's something that really inspires me, and I've been for a while trying to think of a way to use them, and this just seemed like a great community project to make a lot of birds with people. We have especially after this time when we've been so locked down with COVID, that we're starting to come back together again, and it's a way people can make art together and communicate. So I'll be asking people to make a very simple wire bird, and I will be there to help, and it will be something where we'll have this collection of birds that will then I will assemble and will be displayed in the museum after the project. And so it just means if you're involved, you actually get to have a piece of yours shown in an art museum, which I think is a great fun thing. And it's really just nice to come together and make a collective piece with people, because I think we've all been in such isolation for the last year or so. I'm really looking forward to coming and working with all sorts of different people, and really trying to make this a fun and successful project. Thank you. Look forward to seeing you in the fall.